Hi there. Sorry about that. I was just polishing my giant pink peg over there. I love her. Welcome to the Umhlanga Arch Laundry, the best looking laundry you've probably ever seen. But I guess we have to be when you're surrounded by this. Pretty impressive, but you guys have had enough attention. Let's get back to the laundry.
Hey, what's that?
Oh, this old thing? Not much. It's just a trophy we won for being the best laundromat in Umhlanga Arch. Yeah, pretty proud of this one. But that's enough about how cool we are. Let's show you around. I thought it was a spinny chair. We were supposed to get a spinny chair, but we spent all our money on the peg, so... Anyway, come on. Because here at the Umhlanga Arch Laundry, all of our washes are done in water between 30 and 60 degrees, ensuring those pesky stains and that weird virus that seems to be going around are gone for good. Meet Pilo. She's a folding, ironing, cleaning, stain-removing ninja. She's also the glue that keeps this place together. We love Pilo. Everything here at the Arch Laundry is weighed, sorted, checked for stains, and then washed in our state-of-the-art washing machines. That's right. These bad boys have a spin rate of 300 spinneroonies per minute. That's 400 wash-imajigs per second, and a total of 1,200 bubble watts. That's right. You could have washed Mick Jagger from the 70s in this bad boy and he would have come out clean. And when it comes to drying, we've got this guy. 500 kilos of pure drying awesomeness. We call him the Juggernaut, and he'll pretty much dry anything. So if your Shetland pony ever gets wet, we got you covered. Jesus, he's a plow on that one. Wrap it up nice and warm like a French loaf, tie a little string around it, spray it with some love. We then send it away stain-free, smelling good, and cleaner than the Pope's rap sheet. Because here at Umhlanga Arch Laundry, we take every precaution to make sure that your laundry is done exactly how it needs to be done. Perfectly. Thank you for visiting my awesome laundry, and I look forward to washing your undies in the future.
Is that your slogan?
Yeah.
Yeah, you should probably work on that.
Probably work on that? It's the undies thing, yeah. Okay, I'll work on that. Umhlanga Arch Laundry, because life's too short to do your own laundry.